Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix home app not working on iPhone, home app on iPhone. So how to fix this issue? So I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. The bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. So please press the bell icon for more latest video. Let's get start the video. Do not waste any time. So first of all, you should be restart your iPhone. So how to restart iPhone? Volume up button and then volume down button and press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 5 to 10 seconds wait and then your problem will be fixed. If their second solution, you have a turn on and off airplane mode. So open the control center and then you have turn on and turn off flight mode and then turn on. Then other solution, you have close the app and then uh, for example I have open any app and then you have uh, close and then you have clear and then reopen and then your problem will be fixed. And then fourth solution, you have checked the update. For example, home app is not working, so you have opened the app store and then you have searched the home app is update on your iPhone available and then you have uh, update on your iPhone. So fix this issue. If there are this solution is not working, their fifth solution, you have app delete and then reinstall from app store. And then other solution, you have reset all setting and then you have open the setting and then scroll up, then you have click on general and then click on transfer or reset, then click reset all setting, not any data lose. Photos and video only, reset the all setting iPhone, do not lose any data your iPhone, only reset all setting and then your problem will be fixed. There last solution, you have again open the setting and then click on general and then you have click on software update and then mobile update iOS version, then you have install and download on your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed. Hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know if you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.